it to be like, I'm putting this out to be an international sensation.
But how do you feel that when they were talking about you, medyo parang their jaws were dropped when they heard you sing in the studio?
In this what, sorry?
Studios.
Well, they've heard all of my songs, they've heard about me, and yun, probably when they heard me like sing live, yun lang yung nagulat lang sila na maganda dun sa boses. Parang na lang sila, na-enjoy sila siguro dun sa sound ng boses.
So I believe the director of this concert is Direk Chan.
Direk
So
Chan.
is this your very first time kayo ni Direk Chan?
This is my third time to work with Direk John Franz.
So how is it?
Always a breeze, you know, working with Direk John Franz kasi he gives the artists the freedom, you know, to do whatever they want to do, but in creative side, like, oh, Direk, ito yung gusto kong gawin, pero siya, pinapaganda lang niya lalo yung idea mo na sasabihin sa kanya. So, hindi siya yung parang limited to parang, ito gusto kong gawin mo, ito gusto kong gawin. Ano ang gusto mong gawin? Ito gusto kong gawin, Direk. So, papagandahin lang niya yun.
Is he created the concept or it's a collaboration?
He's part of the creation of Love Matter.
Taking on that view, are we expecting any guests? Yes.
Wait.
For your concert?
Who is? I think
Yes.
guests. As of the moment, I have one guest, and it's MMG. If you guys know MMG. Yeah. For now.
Prior to this concert, ano yung pinagkakabala nyo, Miss Ida?
Well, a lot of bar shows, mga special concerts, special shows. So, yun lang naman basically, and some guestings on TVs. Of course, family.
So, would you say this is your Valentine's concert again for after a few years din, di ba?
Well, last year I had a Valentine concert at in Sydney.
I see.
Yeah,
Okay.
so after a few years, nag-concert ulit ako sa City last year.
So how do you differentiate po yung Love Matters mo sa mga other concerts na nagawa?
Well, basically, Love Matters, yun nga, as I've said a while back, parang it celebrates all types of love. Hindi lang siya yung parang, kasi usually sa mga concerts ko, iba-ibang klase ang mga songs na I interpret. Ito naman, parang different kinds of love talaga. So, very different, very Valentine in a different way.
And then yung collaboration niyo po with Heavenly Desserts, paano po siya nag-push?
Well, Heavenly Desserts kasi I started singing with District 1, and then District 1 is also owned by Chef Jeng. So, Chef Jeng really loves my songs and my music, and she wanted really to produce a concert for me, and that started like 2 years ago. She did my concert for a very long time, and then yun nga, the Valentine concert in Cebu, and then this one came. Dapat yung birthday concert ko last year, siya din ang gagawa, kaso naunahan siya ng ibang producer, kaya hindi na nagawa. So,
Wala sa lang po. Dito sa mga original songs.
kahit hindi last, okay lang.
Sa mga original song po rin yung mismo, ano ba yung hindi dapat mawawala every time na nagko-concert?
Sa pagkakalam ko, I think it's Jealous, Someday, and syempre, hindi original Love Moves, pero Love Moves kailangan nandoon, Foolish Heart, I think. Ano pa ba? Through the Fire. Sige nga, sample. Ay, sample.
Parang nagbibigay ng sample.
Oo, kailangan.
Mamaya si Miss Lina na.
Sabay bumalik sa akin. Yun. So, yung mga yun. I love you, goodbye. Yan, mga ganyan, di ba? Yung mga hindi dapat.
Miss Ida, naka-experience ka na ba na nag-proposal during your concert?
Madami. Dahil hindi dito internationally din, tapos dito din. So, madami kasi, most especially doon sa song na Love Moves in Mysterious Ways. Kasi talagang parang, doon talaga yung pinakamagandang mag-propose kasi sinasabi talaga na hindi mo alam kung kailan dadating yung love. So, ito dumating na yung love, so I'd like to propose to you. Parang ganun yung gusto nilang palabasin always sa Love Moves in Mysterious Ways.
So, hindi ka na magugulat na magkakaroon na ng proposal?
Hindi,
during this
naiiyak lang ako. Minsan ako na emotional na. Ganun.
Pupropose siya sa FPG.
Parang sino mag-propose?
Propose pagka nagkala siya.
But how important to you is also family time?
Very, very important. That's why, like, every Sunday, I do accept
Gigs.
gigs. And during the week, when I don't have a gig, I spend most of the time with my family talaga. At home lang talaga ako, hindi ako nalabas. If you wanna go out, I go out. Spend ko time with the family pag wala talaga. Kasi pag may show ako talaga, naka-ano talaga ako dun eh. Naka-concentrate ka dun. So,
Does your, I suppose you also have your own band that performs with you. Do they understand that in some sense, the way that you do have to have time for your family too?
yes, of course. Kasi musicians din sila eh. So sila, they also understand that it's not all about work. They need to, reset, relax, and, feel grounded through the help of the family.
Kasi of course, so most of the times, magkaka-gig ka is weekends.
Yeah,
That's
usually
where
weekends,
people have...
konti-konti lang naman yung mga like, Sunday or Monday or Wednesday.
Christina, ano po yung pwede nyo mag-advise sa mga aspiring singers na ina-idolize mo?
If they want to really, for the longevity of their career, yung siyempre yung talagang isipin nila, siguro just be humble talaga. Hindi kasi fame will really get to your head once you get it. Para isipin mo na, I made it, okay na ako, gano'n. Tapos parang mawawalan ka na ng respeto sa lahat, yung mga dating tumulong sa'yo, mga kalimutan mo na. So just be humble and remember all those people who helped you be where you are, and surround yourself with the best people that you could who could lift you up.
And with the new generation performers or singers that we have right now, sino po yung parang gusto nyo maging makakola or yung pinapakinggan nyo recently?
Wala naman ako actually pinapakinggan recently. Naririnig ko lang siya, pero hindi yun siya constantly yung pinapakinggan ko. Pero I'm vocal about this particular singer, si Maki. Maki, na nagalingan ako kay Maki. So I don't know what's with him, but when I watched him live on TV for the first time, parang okay siya. Like, he sang his song live. Ang galing, hindi siya yung parang pang ano lang pala, pang studio lang pala. Live mo rin siya ng live. And he sings also some covers na okay din yung tulog.
Since si Maki po kasi is a songwriter, kayo din po ba parang na-experience nyo naman?
Yeah, meron akong mga sinulat na kanta sa mga albums ko. Hindi lang siya yung ganun yung pinush, pero meron yung mga albums naman ako sinulat. Songs na sinulat sa akin.